So glad you guys are here. Come touch all the things with me. I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm here today because I need new hardware for my kitchen. So I'm gonna pick out some hardware that I want, and I'm gonna show you some easy tips and tricks on how to install your hardware on your cabinets. You're gonna need some supplies that you probably have around the house. If not, you can borrow them from a handy friend. First, you're gonna need an electric drill and a bit, a measuring tape, a nail punch and rubber mallet or a hammer, a mechanical pencil, some wood safe sticky tack, some painter's tape, and finally, a door or drawer hardware guide. You'll probably be able to find them at your local hardware store. And trust me, these will make the job a lot easier. First, we're gonna talk about doors. Take your hardware and put some sticky tack on the back of it. Then you're gonna take your hardware and place it approximately where you want them on your doors. Like that. Perfection, I like it. Next, take your pencil and trace around the base of the hardware. Now you're gonna remove your hardware and grab your template guide. So you're gonna line up the template. Then you're gonna pick a hole that's closest to the outline of your hardware. Grab your painter's tape and you're gonna put it over your holes. And you're gonna punch a hole in the tape where your hole was. You wanna make sure to punch a hole in the tape so when you move to the other side, you don't get confused about which hole you used. You're gonna remove your template guide, grab your hammer or mallet and your nail punch. There you go. This will help stabilize your bit when you're drilling your hole for your hardware. Next, grab your handy dandy drill and you're going to drill your hole. Make sure you either remove it away from the cabinet box or move it away from the table so you don't drill or damage anything else. Next, we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now let's talk drawer fronts. First, grab your tape measure and your pencil, and you're gonna measure the top of the drawer, and you're gonna mark the very center of your drawer. Grab the drawer hardware template guide, line it up with that center line, then grab your hardware and find the placement that you want. Now you're just gonna do the same steps that you did with your cabinet door. We did it! Yay! I was really nervous because I'm not good at this kind of thing. Everything always comes out uneven and not good. So if I can do it, clearly you can too. Anyone is way more capable than me. Make sure you stop by our showroom to see all of our diversified hardware. We'll throw in some unmatched service for you. Please leave any questions or comments below. For now, I'm gonna go to my kitchen and install the rest of the hardware because I can now. Have a great week, everyone. That was fun. I love power tools. Find the end of your painter's tape. Finding the end of your painter's tape. Musical. All right. To dream the impossible dream. I gotta sing in every video now. This is bad.